Hi Doodle friends, welcome to my December plan with me. Unfortunately, I lost the footage to these first two pages. The first page is just a giant sticker and I hand wrote December in there. And then the second page is just some stickers with a calendar. And as you probably already know if you've been following along, I recently started creating stickers for my bullet journal because I was finding that I didn't have time to keep up with my bullet journal, so I came up with a method to create stickers for each month, and then I still get to add my own creativity but save a ton of time by not having to draw everything. So if you want these stickers, they're in my shop and I'm about to add a ton more, and I have a ton of free printables on my blog, so you can sign up for that. All those links are in the description. So I do include 12 pages in all of my sticker packs, so if you do or don't like to use weeklies, you can just eliminate those pages when you are printing and you'll still have probably 9 or 10 pages to choose from. I included a gift list this year in the stickers. This fits perfect in an A5 journal. I am using a B5 right now, so there's a little bit of extra room, which I do like because then I can add some more doodles around it or whatever I want, some more text or whatnot. And I'm gonna go back to the gift list at a later time. I realized I want 2 pages of gift list, so I gotta print another one and I'll get back to that. I included an advent calendar in the sticker pack. You could just cut it out and use it as an entire sticker. It's meant to just fit in an A5 journal, but I wanted to create little flaps to where I could write underneath it, so I didn't print it on sticker paper. I printed it on regular printer paper and I glued just the tops, that way I could flap it open and write things to do each day in December. I have a lot of drink wine ones because I did buy a wine advent calendar this year, and I'm also going to be having my baby, so I did a lot of baby related stuff. I have a makeup baby ornament. I have cuddle with the baby, watch Christmas movies with the baby. I am so beyond excited and I can't believe there is a full-grown baby living inside me right now. I'm recording this November 18th and my due date is November 30th, and I'm actually in my friend's wedding this Sunday, so I'm really hoping that we make it there. But as long as the baby has a healthy delivery and she's healthy whenever she comes is fine. So I can't wait. And thank you for everyone who reached out and said congrats for my baby. We are so beyond excited. For this page, we're gonna have a envelope. I include 2 envelopes in the sticker pack. And I love these reindeers in this December sticker pack. It's very vintagey, like White Christmas. I'm obsessed with these stickers. And in this envelope, I'm gonna do a Christmas wish. So I wrote that on the envelope slip. The envelopes do come with a little slip that fits perfect with the envelope. I lost some footage again for this page. Whoopsie, I'm just gonna blame it on Prego Brain. So this page I'm just dedicating to Christmas. Sorry I keep going back and forth. What's going on here? Oh, we're back to the gift list. So now I have enough tags for all my gifts. And now I'm just bouncing around back and forth. Normally I finish one page and then move on, but my brain was just scattered and I kept going back and forth, mainly because I knew I was going to end up adding gold to the pages, and it takes a long time to dry, so I was waiting to do that towards the end. Otherwise I couldn't really flip to the next page while the gold was drying. So I added in some washi tape from Paper Geek Co. I love her washi tape. It's so pretty because I'm always obsessed with like the moon ones, and she has a lot of moon magical kind of washi tape. I like to have a few pages where I just have a bunch of notes and I could write down special things that happened that month. I do use my journal more of as a creative journal. I don't really like to, I know it's like a bullet journal and it's meant for, I mean, technically a bullet journal is whatever you want it to be, so I use that more as a creative journal. But a lot of people use it for planning. But I do have an online calendar that I find way more convenient, because if I'm at the doctor's office, I'm not going to have my bullet journal right there, so I just add it in online. So appointments and everything, I don't really add to my journal. I do add it in the monthly overview, but I don't rely on my bullet journal for appointments and whatnot. I just love to use it for memories with my family, journaling, and yeah. If you're wondering how I cut these stickers, I do have a tutorial on how I use an XActo knife to cut out the stickers. That way they peel off like how they would when you buy them at the store. They're kiss cut. Because I do sell printables, I don't sell the actual printed version, which allows you to save so much money, because stickers are so expensive, and I give stickers 12 pages on 8.5 by 11, and I also have A4. So you save so much money if you print out and cut your stickers yourself, and you save so much time cutting stickers if you use my method of using an XActo knife, and the stickers stay on the same page and you just peel them off, which is amazing. So check that out. It's on my channel and my blog if you're interested, and I truly appreciate everyone supporting me and buying my printables. It really helps, especially when I'm going to be out of work for 6 weeks with the baby coming. So special thanks to all of you. And at the bottom of this, I added baby Kinsley is the best gift of all, because of course my baby's going to be the best gift, and I'm pretty much told all my friends and family that their gift is going to be my child because I'm going to be out of work for 6 weeks, which is insane. It's unpaid, so I'm going to be struggling, and I'm going to have a newborn. I'm not going to be worrying about Christmas presents. I'm going to be just trying to figure everything out. And I added a bunch of gold dots to all the pages, and now we're on to the final flip through. My next video is going to be a full year flip through, and I'm going to give away the craft paper journal that I had dated for 2021. So if you want to win that, make sure you're subscribed and sign up and watch the next video. I'm really excited to finally give it away. Some of them I didn't even record the plan with me's, because towards the end of the year I was pregnant and just really busy, but I did finish it. So anywho, I hope everyone has a lovely holiday season and Christmas, and I'm gonna be having a newborn, so she is definitely the best gift of all. And I figured I'd show you my best of 2020 spread. I love doing this spread every year. And then I added a baby guesses spread, and then a spread for when she arrives for all of her stats. And I'm going to write a long journal entry here, and then I covered up a mistake on the right. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.